Hello guys, I want to show you my beautiful villa here in Kampala. Are you guys ready? So I'm staying at the Honeysuckle and it is such an amazing space, guys. Like, oh my god, look at all this garden to myself. All this garden space there. And then I have this. So actually I removed this carpet because it was raining, but usually sits here. So I have all this to myself, and when I'm sitting here I can actually view the kitchen from here. So if I want, I can open here, and here I see, guys, that the door is nice. Let's steal ideas for Starehemana. Oh, and I didn't even show you guys the lamps. Is it like the chandeliers are so out of this world? And here, and okay, the door is locked from inside, so I'll show you guys that in a bit. And then this is the living room, but I'm gonna show you inside. So come on in. There's been a fire extinguisher and more garden space for me. And then are you guys ready for the inside? Yes. So, our living room, guys. I love it, love it, love it. Let me know between this one and the other bedroom apartment I just started. Let me know which one do you love more. Anyway, so there's just two seats here. There's all those flowers there, and that's the television. Then this is the door I was telling you guys about. This one is basically the kitchen can open out to the garden. Now it's a chilly morning in Kampala, so let's look that. And then dining table. I guess this is a live plant, by the way. Just for the record, this is a live plant. And you know me and plants, mama plants. If you can't get kids, get a flower at least. Look at that chandelier. I love the African theme going on around here. And then microwave, usual, guys. Cooker, kettle, what do you call this thing?
Toaster.
Toaster, and a very big empty fridge. Guys, please give a reaction to this video so I can get money to restock this fridge. And then, guys, I have to show you something. Look at this piece of art.
Ooh.
So beautiful. Guys, are you ready for the bedroom? Come, bedroom one. Oh my god, guys, you know usually we have to bless the bed. This one, certified. It's fit for all activities, including aerobics. Certified. And look at the work of art on the walls, guys. Very simple. I think this is like, what do they call this thing? The chapati board. Look at the curtain, everything matches. There's an AC. And then there's this beautiful, I don't know what to call this thing, like chest of drawers. Yeah. So beautiful. And this one has a chair here. You can sit down and relax. And sockets as usual. So many sockets. So there's no wall in this room. 3 sockets on this side. We have 2 here. That's 5. And you have 2 over there. 7 charging ports, guys. Come and show them. So guys, I'm now starting. So that's like the kitchen, if you guys remember. Now I'm going to the what do you call this? Like the shared bathroom, yeah. So of course, bathroom, toilet, and then that's our support for today. I don't know if you can see her. She's helping with the videography. And of course the usual lotion, shampoo, shower gel, body soap. And we have to test the water pressure. Oops. Guys, you can see it comes and it's hot. Now, are you guys ready for the mother of them all? Let me bless this one, guys. Guys, it's comfortable. Very comfortable. And there's even a TV if that's your kind of thing. There's another TV here, AC over there, and the same decor theme going on. Look at all the walls. And there's a wardrobe here. I forgot to show you there's a wardrobe in the other room as well. So there's a full wardrobe here. And I'm gonna show you our master bathroom. Of course, yours truly. And there's Jean behind me. I don't know if she knows she's on camera. Hey. And it has a bathtub, guys. Guys, there's a bathtub.
Wow.
Oh my word. So guys, that's what we have today. Let me know, what are your thoughts of this house? I am paying $120 for it, but you, when you come here, you're probably gonna pay more. So if you are wondering, how does Eva get 120 and I don't? Because I do this kind of videos. So if you want me to come and review your space, feel free to contact me, and I will be more than happy to come and review your space. So that's it, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.